Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix seams in Bambu Studio. So first what we are going to do is look at the left of the setting panel here and turn the advanced toggle switch on. So this is right here. Toggle this on. Now the easiest way to fix a visible seam line is to tell the software to hide the dots inside sharp corners. So how we will do that? We will select the model, obviously. And now go to the quality tab right here and scroll down to the seam section. So seam section right over here. Change the seam position. So we have seam position right now aligned. This one is like start stops in one straight line, very visible on cylinders. Then we have nearest right here at the top, puts the seam in the sharpest corner close to the nozzle starting point. So this one is best option for boxes or shapes with corners. And then we have also back, forces the entire seam line to stay on the back side of the object. This option is best for display status or figures. And random, you can uh, see from the name, it will do it automatically something. So I will use the nearest right here. Just like that. Now, if you are printing a perfectly round object, like a vase, tube, or ring, with no sharp corners to hide a seam in turn or scarf seams. So this setting slopes the start and end path over each other, blending them away like a scarf. So look in the same quality tab. So let me go back right here in this quality tab, and what we are looking for is find scarf joint seam. So scarf joint seam. So we have scarf joint for inner walls. So I don't see it right here, but if you can, then sorry, let's go to global if it's changed something. No. So yeah, right here you will see another drop down menu where you will put it on all loops. So you can change it from conditional or off to an on all loops. And this will make best for smooth circles and cylinders. Now, if you see hollow holes and something, you can also do some fix some seam gaps. So we have this is usually by 15%, so you can lower this number to 5%, 10%. So with that you will bring the start and end lines closer together. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next